In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split sections in a Wix website using the classic Wix editor, specifically working with strips. Strips are really useful because they're full-width sections of your website, and knowing how to effectively split them can open up a lot of possibilities for your design. Let's start by understanding what a strip is. A strip in Wix is essentially a full-width container that spans the entire area of your website from left to right. It's a handy tool for creating distinct sections in your website's layout. If you're wondering why you might want to split a strip, it's because it allows you to add different elements side by side, like text, images, or buttons, making your layout more dynamic and visually appealing. To begin, hover over the strip you want to modify. You should see options appear when you move your cursor over it. Now go ahead and click on the strip. Once you do that, you'll notice a panel or a menu, and you're going to want to look for the option labeled Layout. This is the gateway to customizing how your strip is divided. After locating and clicking Layout, you'll see an option that says Add Column. Selecting this will essentially divide your strip into more manageable sections, known as columns. You can add just one or multiple columns, depending on how you intend to use the space. It's as if you're cutting a long bench into separate seats. You determine how many sections you want to create out of the single strip. Once you've added these columns, each of them acts like a container for other elements. Now that you have your columns ready, the fun part begins: populating them. You can drag and drop various elements into these columns. Whether it's text, images, or buttons, each column can hold different content, giving you the ability to tailor each section to your needs. This step is crucial because it allows you to control exactly what's showcased in that section of your site. Finally, it's good to remember that this method provides a quick and efficient way to split your content horizontally across the page. It maintains a clean and organized look while offering versatility in your design options. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize your website's layout, ensuring that your content is well organized and visually appealing. This method is particularly advantageous for creating professional-looking web pages that engage and guide your visitors seamlessly through your content. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it empowers you to make the most out of your Wix website design.